Hey, I'm about to get started back on this air compressor grill, and I guess we got the door and everything done on the last video about squaring up the door. So we're just gonna go from there. I'm gonna do a little cutout, get the racks put in, the table on the front, this and that. So what I'm gonna start with is this cutout, and I drew this on cardboard and cut it out. So I'm gonna cut it out of some plate and try to bend it right here where this line would be, so it'll fit around the door right there, and then the thermostat should fit in that circle right there. I think it'll look okay. It might. It's a whole cereal box. But I think it'll come out pretty good sitting on the front of that door like that. So we'll get started with cutting that and then go from there. Got this thing wrapped up. I think where I was left off at was the table, and I didn't do much else other than that besides painting it, put a handle on the side of it. So anyway, this is what we got. You can see it has the slide vent on the side. If you've seen part one, you've seen that go down. And that's the table. It'll fold up. There's a rod right there that you just fold up and catch it. I added this handle over here. It has a rubber grip. This came off of another air compressor. So I just took it off of that and squished the ends down and welded it on for pulling it around. That's the cutout. I used orange engine enamel on it. I wish I'd have went ahead. I started to try to, you see how the circle fits? It fits into the circle. I wanted to make the circle smaller to where this sat on top of it. That way you wouldn't have that gap right there. But I wasn't sure if the thread was long enough. But it looks like it was definitely long enough to do that. So I should have went ahead and done it. I wish I would have. But it still came out good. I may do another one of these anyway with the same cutout. I have another tank this size, and I'll know next time. It has 2 racks in it. There's a coal rack down there. You can't see it down there hardly, but I took the door that I cut out and made an ash pan out of it. You can kind of see it down there. Everything came out good. I wish I would have went down with the door about maybe another inch and a half. And if I do the next one the same way, I will do it that way. That would have put it down here. Would have gave a little bit more rack space. But everything came out real good on it. The next one will have 2-inch. These are 1.25 inch wheels. The next one will have 2-inch wheels on it. They're over here. Sitting there, I just got them painted up over there. But yeah, that'll do it on this one. Everything came out real good on it. A couple things that I noticed I'd do different, that I can do different on the next one. Because like I say, I do have another tank that size. So anyway, that's it on this one. I know it took a long time to get that part 2 up, because I done built, I think, 3 other smokers since then. And I was just kind of fitting this one into it, you know. And I got 2 more offsets I'm doing now. So anyway, that'll do it on this one. If you're new to the channel, man, please like and subscribe. Like I say, there'll probably be another one of this. Maybe the same setup, but a smoker instead of just a grill. I don't know, because I don't do a whole lot of just grills. I need to start doing more of those, because I have been asked about some of them. But like I say, if you're new to the channel, man, please like and subscribe and come back for the next one. It's probably... Oh, I got a vertical coming up. Yeah, a 1/4 inch vertical smoker. So y'all be on the lookout for that one. I got to do 2 offsets and I think a couple fire pits first before I get to it. But it is on the way, and I'll probably do a video of these fire pits too. So y'all be on the lookout for all that. So anyway, man, y'all come back for the next one and we'll see you then.